When a severe storm knocks out your power grid, or when you're miles away from civilization on a camping trip, running out of electricity isn't just inconvenient, it can be critical. Gone are the days of noisy, toxic gas generators. Today's portable power stations offer whisper quietly FAPO4 battery longevity, ultra-fast charging under 1 hour, and massive inverter output to run everything from your phone to a full-sized refrigerator. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're counting down the top 5 best portable power stations in 2026. All the product links with updated Amazon pricing and discounts are in the description box below. Hit that subscribe button, and let's dive right in. Number 5. DJI Power 1000 V2 Portable Power Station. Starting our list at number 5 is the DJI Power 1000 V2, a high-capacity portable power station designed for camping, road trips, home backup, outdoor work, and content creation. It features a 1024Wh LFP battery with an intelligent battery management system designed for long-term durability. DJI states that the battery is built for up to a 10-year lifespan, while the unit is backed by a 5-year warranty. Charging is another major advantage. The Power 1000 V2 can recharge to 80% in around 37 minutes from AC power. It also supports a 10 milliseconds UPS switching time, helping compatible devices stay powered during unexpected outages. For laptops and other USB-C devices, you get two 140W USB-C ports, providing up to 280W combined. Operating noise can be as low as 26 dB, making it useful around campsites, RVs, and indoor spaces. Pros: large 1024Wh LFP battery. 80% recharge in about 37 minutes. Dual 140W USB-C ports. Quiet operation as low as 26 dB. 10 milliseconds UPS function. Cons: weighs around 15 kilograms. Solar charging requires a separate compatible adapter. Car charging module is not built in. Overall, the DJI Power 1000 V2 combines fast charging, a durable LFP battery, quiet operation, and powerful connectivity, making it our number 5 pick for the best portable power stations of 2026. Number 4. Bluetti Elite 100 V2 Portable Power Station. Coming in at number 4 is the Bluetti Elite 100 V2, a compact 1 kWh portable power station designed for camping, emergency backup, road trips, and everyday off-grid power. It features a 1024Wh LiFePO4 battery and delivers 1-800W of rated AC output, with up to 3-600W surge power. Bluetti also lists a powerlifting mode of up to 2-700W for certain compatible appliances. Charging performance is another strong point. With up to 1-200W AC input, the Elite 100 V2 can fully recharge in about 70 minutes, while the listing also states it can reach 80% in around 45 minutes. It supports up to 1000W solar input for faster off-grid charging. For backup power, the built-in 10 milliseconds UPS can help keep devices such as routers and PCs running during outages. It also operates as quietly as 30 dB in silent mode. At only 25 pounds, it is relatively lightweight for its capacity. You also get 11 output ports, app control through Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, and a LiFePO4 battery rated for 4000 plus cycles to 80% capacity. Pros: 1024Wh LiFePO4 battery. 1-800W AC output. Fast 70-minute full recharge. 10 milliseconds UPS backup. Lightweight 25-pound design. Cons: high-power accessories may be sold separately. Maximum output depends on operating mode. Premium pricing compared with basic 1 kWh models. Overall, the Bluetti Elite 100 V2 combines strong output, fast charging, long battery life, and excellent portability, making it our number 4 pick for the best portable power stations of 2026. Number 3. Jackery Explorer 1000 V2 Portable Power Station. Taking the number 3 spot is the Jackery Explorer 1000 V2, a compact portable power station designed for camping, road trips, emergency backup, and everyday off-grid power. It features a 1070W LFP battery with 500W of continuous AC output and up to 3000W surge power, allowing it to run multiple compatible appliances and electronics at the same time. Fast charging is one of its biggest strengths. With emergency charging enabled through the Jackery app, the Explorer 1000 V2 can recharge from 0 to 100% in about 1 hour. Its standard charging mode takes around 1.7 hours and is designed to better preserve battery health. The LFP battery is rated for around 4,000 charge cycles while retaining over 70% capacity, which Jackery says can support more than 10 years of use. At only 23.8 pounds, it is also relatively lightweight for a power station with this capacity. You get 3 AC outlets, 2 USB-C ports, 1 USB-A port, and a DC car port, including up to 100W USB-C charging. App Control also provides quiet charging and energy-saving modes. Pros: 1070W LFP battery. 500W output with 3000W surge. 1 hour emergency fast charging. Lightweight 23.8 pound design. 4,000 cycle rated battery life. Cons: solar panel not included. 1 hour charging requires app activation. Solar charging is limited to compatible Jackery panels. Overall, the Jackery Explorer 1000 V2 combines strong power output, excellent portability, fast charging, and long-lasting battery technology, making it our number 3 pick for the best portable power stations of 2026. Number 2. EcoFlow Delta 3 Plus Portable Power Station. Coming in at number 2 is the EcoFlow Delta 3 Plus, a versatile portable power station designed for camping, emergency backup, home use, and off-grid power. It features a 1024W LiFePO Po4 battery with 1800W of continuous AC output and up to 3600W surge power. EcoFlow's X-Boost technology can also support certain resistive appliances requiring more than 200W. Charging speed is one of its strongest features. With 500W AC input, the Delta 3 Plus can reach 80% in around 40 minutes. Solar charging can reach 80% in about 1 hour, while several other charging methods, including alternator and hybrid charging, are also supported. The LFP battery is rated for approximately 4,000 cycles to 80% capacity, with a claimed lifespan of around 10 years under daily use. Its battery pack also has an IP65 protection rating against dust, splashes, and oil. For backup use, the built-in 10 milliseconds UPS switching time helps keep compatible computers, NAS systems, routers, and other important electronics running during outages. It can also power up to 13 devices simultaneously. Pros: 1024W LFP battery. 1800W output with 3600W surge. 80% AC recharge in about 40 minutes. 10 milliseconds UPS backup. Expandable up to 5 kWh. Cons: weighs around 27 pounds. Expansion batteries sold separately. Some fast charging methods require additional accessories. Overall, the EcoFlow Delta 3 Plus combines excellent charging speed, strong output, expandable capacity, and reliable UPS functionality, making it our number 2 pick for the best portable power stations of 2026. Number 1. Anker Solix C1000 Gen 2 Portable Power Station. Taking the number 1 spot is the Anker Solix C1000 Gen 2, a compact high-output portable power station designed for camping, home backup, road trips, remote work, and off-grid use. It features a 1024W LiFePO Po4 battery with 2000W of continuous output and up to 3000W peak power, giving it enough capacity to run multiple compatible appliances and electronics at the same time. Charging speed is one of its biggest advantages. Using Anker's HyperFlash technology, the C1000 Gen 2 can fully recharge in about 49 minutes with up to 1/600W AC input when the feature is enabled through the Anker app. For off-grid use, it supports up to 600W solar input and can fully recharge in around 1.8 hours under ideal conditions. The battery is rated for 4,000 cycles while retaining at least 80% capacity, with Anker claiming around 10 years of service life. It also provides a 10 milliseconds UPS switchover, helping keep compatible laptops, networking equipment, and other important electronics powered during an outage. Pros: 1024W LiFePO4 battery. Powerful 2000W output. 49-minute full AC recharge. 4,000 cycle battery rating. 10 milliseconds UPS backup. Cons: fastest charging requires app activation. Solar panels are sold separately. Weighs around 11.3 kilograms. Overall, the Anker Solix C1000 Gen 2 combines powerful output, extremely fast charging, long battery life, and excellent portability, making it our #1 pick for the best portable power stations of 2026.